chabvondoka panguva inoi sekuti kwakaitwa naBob Geza achiti now is moving the motion yekuda kuimpeacha mutungamiri wenyika unozodanzwa mnangagwa from his position as the Zimbabwean president. Panguva inoi pobuda mafacts from the constitution atinyasokuratidza kuti this move uri kuitwa naBob Geza riri possible nekuda kwemaconditions ari kuonekwa kunzi mutungamiri wenyika ari under off. Saka kuna masvika mudanyirwa panapa people subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipira parapa the news hoax vanobuda chiposta the constitution yakunokuona kuti vanchiti impeachment. This is how an incapacitated incumbent president is removed from office in the Zimbabwe in terms of the constitution and under the law section 97. Panapa it is. In the constitution, their terms of office are 5 years and 13 years with the life of parliament. Resignation of president or vice president. The president may resign his or her office by written notice to the speaker, who must give public notice of the resignation as soon as it is possible to do so, and in an event within 24 hours. Removal of a president or vice president in office. The Senate and the National Assembly, by a joint resolution passed by at least one half of their total membership, may resolve that the question whether or not the president or vice president should be removed from the office for a serious misconduct, b failure to obey, uphold, or defend this constitution, c willful violation of this constitution, d inability to perform the functions of the office because of physical or mental incapacity should be investigated in terms of this section. Ndo masvika mudanyoka panapa ari kutendera pasocial media ari kunopa kunzi vanhu vaona pekubatira sepa muri kuona especially pasection d pakaiswa adult avo vari kunzi inability to perform the functions of the office because of physical or mental incapacity. Ndo move iri kufambwa nayo naGeza achiti mutungamiri wenyika is now incapacitated to fulfill his role as the president. Achachiti we must now push for his removal. Tudze mafunguro enyu muri kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pinda comment section iri kuti mafunguro enyu. So subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.